everyone, my name is Yulia Vichart and I'm a family lawyer. I work at the law company of the lawyer Alexey Nikolaevich Skryabin. Our law company specializes in providing legal services in the field of marriage dissolution and recovery of alimony. Our lawyers provide support in court proceedings throughout Ukraine. In this video, I will tell you about a quick divorce through a court with minor children, a divorce in Ukraine without the participation of one of the parties. I will tell you how to get a divorce through the court as soon as possible, how much does it cost to get a quick divorce in Ukraine, and how to file for divorce quickly through the registry office. Watch this video till the end in order to learn a lot of interesting information about a quick divorce in Ukraine. Be sure that subscribing to my channel you always receive up-to-date information in the field of family law. Contacts for contacting me and for asking about paid consultation are under this video. Quick divorce through the court without minor children. In accordance with the Code of Civil Procedure of Ukraine, in the order of simplified proceeding, the following cases are considered: small and insignificant cases and cases arising from labor relations. Accordingly, divorce without children can be referred to an insignificant case, and insignificant cases are considered in the order of simplified proceedings. Insignificant cases are understood as cases on which the cost of the claim doesn't exceed 100 times the subsistence minimum for able-bodied person. This issue is regulated by the Code of Civil Procedure of Ukraine. While the cost of living is increasing, the cost of the claim will increase too. For these reasons, the volume of insignificant cases will gradually expand due to the decrease of volume of cases with the cost of the claim exceeding 500 times the cost of living, the number of which, on the contrary, will gradually decrease. Based on the above mentioned, it should be concluded that divorce falls under the category of cases that can be considered quickly in the simplified procedure through the court. Quick divorce. Divorce in Ukraine without the participation of one of the parties. If one of the spouses doesn't give his or her consent to the divorce is carried out in the order of legal proceeding on the basis of Article of the Family Code of Ukraine. At the request of the plaintiff, you can file for divorce through the simplified procedure, quick divorce. Based on the Code of Civil Procedure of Ukraine, the court considers cases in the order simplified proceeding within the reasonable time, but not more than 60 days from the date of opening of divorce case proceeding. Thus, in practice, if the defendant abuses procedural rights and doesn't object in court, the divorce procedure takes 1 or 2 months. This is a quick divorce. By contacting an experienced family lawyer, it is possible to file for a quick divorce and to formalize it due to the correct application of the legislative norms by a lawyer and due to the interaction with the judicial authorities. The order of divorce through the court is faster. In order to file and formalize a quick divorce through the court with or without children in Ukraine, the plaintiff should correctly file a petition for the consideration of the divorce through the simplified procedure and indicate all the claims, arguing the grounds which allow to apply for the consideration of the divorce case in the court. Based on the Code of Civil Procedure of Ukraine, the question of consideration of such case as a quick divorce with or without children, the court decides in a resolution about opening of a proceeding over the case. Quick divorce is based on some peculiarities of cases consideration, particularly no preparatory hearing. The first court hearing is held no later than in 30 days period from the date of the opening of the quick divorce proceeding. Consideration of a quick divorce is carried out without notification of the parties about available evidences or proofs. How much does it cost to file a quick divorce in Ukraine? Being in such life circumstances which require quick divorce, you should contact a competent family lawyer who will help you to file and to formalize a divorce with or without children in a short time. The cost of a quick divorce procedure depends on several circumstances, namely, the presence of children and the need to file a claim for recovering alimony, denial of the other spouse and delay in the divorce case, availability of all necessary documents. The cost of a separate quick divorce case is considered based on the complexity of the divorce process. Now, it is the most important criterion for the implementation of the quick divorce procedure. You should understand that a lawyer who has many years of experience quickly manages the situation and chooses the most effective plan to gain a positive result in a short time in order to file a quick divorce with or without children. In practice, the family lawyer Skriabin Alexei Nikolaevich resolves a quick divorce cases within a period of 1 month, despite the fact that the minimum period for divorce by the registry office is also 1 month in accordance with the Family Code of Ukraine and the rules of state registration of acts of civil status approved by the order of the Minister of Justice of Ukraine. How to file the divorce through the registry office quickly. Referring to the Family Code and the rules of state registration of civil status acts approved by order of the Minister of Justice of Ukraine. The period for consideration of an application for divorce without children in the registry office is 1 calendar month from the date of application by spouses who have no children. This period can't be reduced as opposed to the procedure for state registration of marriage if the period for considering the application can be reduced if there are valid reasons. In addition, a quick divorce without children is registered on the basis of a court decision on divorce, which entered into legal force prior to the entry into force of the law of Ukraine on state registration of civil status acts, and on the basis of an application for the divorce without children or with children, and the original court decision, the registry office registers an act record on the divorce on the day the applicant applies, if this doesn't contradict the requirements of the law. Thus, such a divorce procedure by the registry office can rightfully be named a quick divorce. Consulting with professional divorce lawyer is a guarantee of your success. Contact the lawyers of our company in any way convenient for you. Call or write in messengers. We will help you to resolve your issues quickly and efficiently. If you need an advice or paid services of a lawyer, then contact us by the contacts listed under this video. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments to this video and I will definitely answer you. If this video was useful for you and you learned something new about how to get divorced quickly in Ukraine, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with friends, press the bell not to miss new videos. See you in new videos.